A lot of people have been looking for business that they can start from the comfort of their home. You can start a business from the comfort of your home and get rich. It is possible. In this video today, guys, I am going to be showing you 13 business that you can start from the comfort of your home. People have different reasons why they want to start business from the comfort of their home. It might be because of space. It might be because of money. And also it might be because they want to get close and be close to their family. I know a lady that started her fashion business from the comfort of her home, and today she has created an empire. That business is not going to fall again. She has bought many properties and also doing training. Number one is e-commerce business. E-commerce business is the buying and selling of products online. Anybody can get rich with this business. The only thing that you need to know is to start posting your products on the platforms and on the website that you are supposed to post your products, like Jumia, Konga, Amazon, Shopify. These platforms enables you to post your products on their website and earn money. You can as well create your own website and also promote your business there. Another place is also Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a known place where people place their products online and people will, order and buy from them. I personally post my products on Facebook Marketplace. I do e-commerce business, and since I started this business, I have successfully make money, sells millions of products, selling my products on e-commerce business. Thing people do is that you need to be serious. You need to be very, very ready to promote your business, because if you're not ready to promote your business, nobody is going to do it for you. Business, e-commerce business is one of the business that you can start from the comfort of your home. It is one of the biggest business also that is giving people money and making people rich. This what you need to do is to make sure that you are posting and let your products be visible. I personally is doing e-commerce business, and I know I have made millions of money selling on e-commerce platforms. Number two is selling digital products. Digital products today are making people millions and making people rich. From creating ebooks, online training, and it can be audio, it can be video, and also creating movies, creating music and other contents. People even write scripts and sell them. So these are things that you can do. If you want to get rich from the comfort of your home, you can do this. And number three is catering business stroke online food vendor. If you know how to cook and you have the abilities and you have the power to do it, this is one of the business that is giving people money. It has made lots of people millionaires. I am telling you the truth. All you need to do is to have a space where you can be cooking your food, and when it's time, you send it to where the event is taking place. Then if you are an online food vendor, make sure you are promoting your business, take pictures and post them online. And when it's time for delivery, make sure you have a delivery person, or you deliver by yourself to the person that you are taking the food to. Another business is rental business. People do rental business and even event planning. All you need to do is to have the products, have the equipment that is needed for renting. People pay money to rent products or equipment because it's not everything that they are going to buy. They know that they are going to use this thing once, and so why buy them? So if you make yourself available and promote your business, they will now know that yes, they can rent, from renting dishes, equipment for movies and all that. Yes, and costumes. People do that. The next one is online tutoring. What can you teach? What can you lecture? People learn languages online, from personal online tutoring, and even courses. They learn them online. So if you're good, you need to put yourself in the necessary platforms that can, tutor. Online tutoring has been making people money. The next one is business consultants. Just create a space in your home and start telling people what field, and let them consult you for a particular fee that you are charging. Charge them the money that you want to, like offer. let them pay and you start making your money. Make sure that you know the field that you want them to consult you, whether it's architect, whether it's courses, anyone. People can consult you for that. The next one is fashion designing. People today are making money from the comfort of your home doing fashion designing. They even have people that are training. They are doing videos, they are doing online training and all that for fashion homes from the comfort of your home. Create your own space and the floor is yours. The next one is print on demand. Print on demand is making people quite lots of money. From customizing cups, t-shirts, hoodies, trousers, cups, yes, blankets, pillowcase, towels. People even do all these things for events where they can share all those things. So if you know that you can do print on demand, you know how to customize things, products and all that, start doing print on demand. It is making people money today. The next one is virtual assistants. You can be a virtual assistant, running people's admin, be an administrator online, from planning their programs, handling their social media accounts. Some people can't even handle those things. Some celebrities, some companies, your clients, just make sure that you can do that for them and you'll be smiling. You can handle different people social media accounts and all their administrative work that they need you to do for them. The next one is home daycare center. If you are good with people, with kids, this can make you money. All you need to do is also make sure you are registering your business. You need to register that because people will be bringing their children for you to take care of them. Make sure you promote, you market and tell people. If you need to place an ad in front of your compound, you can also do that. The next one is online coaching. Online coaching has been making people millions of money. People charge like $80, $100, or depending on your country where you are. They charge per sections depending on how many hours or how many sections person wants to take you. That is how they charge their money, and people are getting rich doing this kind of business. The next one is YouTube. Right now I'm doing YouTube, talking to you face to face. You need to have your 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and promote your videos and keep sharing videos online. And after that, when you have gotten your 1,000 and also 4,000 watch hours, you can also monetize your videos as well. The next one is Forex trading. Forex trading is making people rich. If you are good in buying and selling of a currency, you can also go and learn Forex trading. It can make you millions. Just be focused in any of these business, any one that you want to do. It can make you money. Thank you for always watching my videos, guys. This is where I'm going to stop. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have always been coming back to watch my videos, my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Subscribe, guys, and bye bye, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.